Assalamu alaikum students. We are going to start our new topic, that is force. What is force? A force is a push or pull when we apply on object, that is called force. The force should be push or in the form of a pull. Here we can see that the two boys, one is pushing an object and second is pulling the object. That is called a force. Here the meaning of a force: when two bodies or two entities come in contact with each other, this interaction causes a movement or a change in shape. Here we can an example of a ball. When we push a ball, it moves. When we applied a force on a ball, it can move. That is change in its movement by applying a force. Second is change in shape. When we apply a force on an object, it can change its shape. That's mean we applying a force on that object which cause that the change in shape in that body. That is called a force. Some interaction lead to both movement and change in shape and change in movement as well. For example, when we uh, hit a ball with the wall, we apply a force on a ball to hit the wall. When ball hit the wall, ball apply a force on the wall. That means we apply a force to send the ball to the wall, and then ball strike with the wall and applying force with the wall. That change in movement and the change in shape as well, which can be shown as in a figure here. Or example, a ball bouncing on the ground. Here we can see that in the arrow the ball is falling from the height, hit the ground, change its shape, and then it moving, bouncing again, and at the last it came to the rest. There are two type of forces are there: pushing and pulling. Here you can see the two figures. One person is pushing on a door and second is pulling on a door. After that, we have a two type of forces: contact forces and uncontact forces. Here we have an example of push and pull of forces. In a figure 1, pushing a force, a person is apply force on a trolley to push it. Here you can see that the 10 kg weight is placed in the trolley. After the second example of pushing is while sleeping on a pillow. When we use a pillow during sleeping, we place our head on a pillow, it can change its shape of a pillow. It means that our head is applying force on a pillow to change its shape. The second one is pulling force. The person is pulling an object toward itself. That means it pulling. And other example of a magnet: when we place any metal material near to the magnets attract or pull that material toward itself. That means it pull that material to itself. It means that applying pulling force on that. Next we have contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces can be pulling or pushing a force, or pulling or pushing force. The object need to be in contact with each other. For example, when we have a figure here, the person is applying force, push or pull on an object. They both objects are in contact with each other. That is called a contact force. When the both objects are in contact, means they can be force of pull or push on each object. That is called contact force. In the non-contact force, those type of forces that result even when the two interacting objects are not in the physical contact with each other, yet are able to exert push or pull despite their physical separation. For example, a ball falling under the gravity of a ground. The ball's weight is on the downward, and the uh, earth applied force towards upward. Though these forces are not physically in contact with each other, so we call non-contact forces. Here we have an example of a non-contact forces in which gravitational force, moon and an earth, means both are in contact, both are attracting each other, but there are gravitational pull force, but both objects are not in the physical in contact. Magnetic force is the pull or push force by the magnet on an object. That is called magnetic force. Here we have again magnetic force or non-contact forces. The third and last example is electrical forces. Electrical force in which the particles applied force on each other, that is called electrical force. Positive particles are positive or either negative. So these are the forces that are non-contact forces.